Welcome to Chicks in the City. It's a new series about chickens living in the city. Seriously, today we are going to put together a little chicken run. This is in addition to the actual chicken coop, so this gives them more room to just roam around and free range. So this is a little extra that I'm adding so that the chickens will have extra room. I want them to be able to run free. Chickens do not naturally hang out in one spot. They like to graze. They're grazing animals, so the more room the better. So we're going to put this together right now. I'm going to try to anyway. Alright, I got the two sides up and this main bar right here, and once you screw them in tight down here, the screw, this makes it really solid. This is a very nice little pen. It was about $260 from Petco. So anyway, I got this part done. Now we're going to put the screws in on this corner and this corner. That bird. I like that bird, but in the morning it does that same tweet over and over again, like over and over and over. Now we're going to put on a heart. A little heart knob right here. Actually, what this is about. Okay, it's finished. The chicken run. This will attach to the chicken coop. They'll have extra room to run around. It's pretty sturdy. Will keep out those dastardly raccoons that love to eat chickens. And the hawks. So I can let them have fun out here and I can feel safe and not be worried about the chickens getting eaten up. So I did it, but there's only one thing. I have 2 screws left over and I'm not supposed to, so I don't know where they go. I think I did something wrong, but it seems to work, so I say it's completed. 2 Soap Urban Farm chicken run. All it needs is chicken. They'll be here in a couple of days.